Hello everyone, welcome back to Sparaya YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to screenshot without button on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who are Samsung cell phone users who still take screenshot using button by pressing the power button and volume button simultaneously, then you guys should stop at this step because I have another alternative for taking screenshot without having to use a button. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, I will give you two tutorials. Alright guys, so the first thing first is now you can take a screenshot from control center, and then now you can swipe down to go to control center. And so yeah, here's you can click on take screenshot menu, and then so yeah, now you can take a screenshot without button. And the second one is now you can go to settings menu, and then you can scroll down and go to display, and then now you can scroll down again, and now you have to enable edge panels. The edge panels on the side of screen, and then here's you can take a screenshot without having to press the button. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to screenshot without button, and thank you so much for watching guys. See you on the next video.